YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. I am here with another little small haul from Michael's, which similar to what I posted recently with the Creatology stuff on sale. Sorry about my nail. Anyway, so this is some more of the wood faceted beads. And of course these are all 70% off. The plastic puka shells and the wood pony beads. So of course they're all the same colors, so that's kind of helpful. And this time I did pick up 2 packs of the pom-pom charms, and I picked up this pack of lobster claws and some jump rings, and it's in the gold and the silver. I picked up this 12 pack of Creatology washable paints, which are in the skin tones. So I thought it was kind of nice to have in my collection. You know, it's only like $2. These beads were on clearance for $3. And they had other packs that other people showed that were not on clearance at my store. I did pick this up. This is on clearance as well. So these match some of the other beads that I have. They had the mermaid one, which I didn't get because they were all pony beads, and I didn't want a whole bunch of pony beads. But so I got these because got the hearts, and they got the round ones right here to match some of the bigger ones from the other set. But I only went in there to get the plastic earring backers for my poke tools. So yeah, and I had to get all this other stuff. So anyway, that's my little haul, but I'm glad you stopped by. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.